In today's society, social media has become a powerful and popular tool in people's daily life. Due to its wide coverage, social media has millions and millions of users in any part of the world. The biggest and most useful function is that we can use them to share and keep in touch with others. We can post something that we want to share, such as our feelings, things that are gonna happen or had already happened. Of course, we can view others' moments too, to find something funny, to know what happened around you. In the last few years, social media has greatly changed the world of marketing. Enterprises use social media to showcase their brands, build a good relationship with customer, and drawing new sales. Social media makes life convenient, lets people get reached to each other. It certainly plays a great role for the success of each individual. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!